All right, for this project, you are going to need a crochet needle, a net, some hair. This hair is actually from Outre. Thank you so much for sending it to your girl. And of course, you're going to need a weaving net. Wait a minute, I already said that, didn't I? I know. Say off the weed. So I'll be crocheting this very soft hair. It's called Soft Reggae. It's 18 inches. Can't talk. I'm going to call this 2 bundles. So it does come with 2 bundles in a pack. For this hairstyle, I know, call me crazy. At least you're calling me. I'm actually going to be using 5. I'm using 5 packs of hair. I know it's going to be so huge. Definitely didn't mean to do it. But the hair is very soft. It's very easy to separate, as you can see. Now, initially, I separated it into 4, like per hair little group thing. I separated it into 4. I know. Look how tiny they are. I'm crazy. I must be on the weed. What they call it, devil's lettuce. Real quick, for those of you who do not know how to crochet, literally just stick the needle through the net to attach to the loop. You pull the loop through the net. You take that loop and you tie the other strand through it twice. That's how you knot it. Very simple, very easy. There's so many tutorials on how to do it, but I will be doing it throughout the video. So just in case you don't know how to do it, you're welcome. This is the result of 1 bundle, and this is the result of 2 bundles. Pretty thick, I know. I feel like I probably only need 2 packs of hair, but alas, I'm very extra. So I've actually already done one side. I did the invisible knotting at the back and also at the front, and I also detangled my hair already. Now for the invisible knot, it's very easy. It's similar to the regular way of crocheting. However, instead of looping both strands through, you're only going to loop 1. And once you tie it and flip it over, literally all you see is the hair. And that's the invisible knot. As I was filling in the empty spots, I realized that it was definitely easier to detangle the hair before I crocheted it in. And so that's what I did. But so from now on, what I'll do, like whenever I do this again, I'll definitely be detangling the hair before I put it in. But detangling the hair is really not all that hard. What I used was J Organics moisturizing milk to detangle it. And it's definitely easier to do it in smaller sections. So this is definitely giving me natural Medusa vibes. I mean, this is huge as hell and it was not intentional, but okay, it's fine. We're just going to take some scissors. We're going to cut it down, shape it up a little. Now, per my last video, y'all know I'm not really good at cutting, but we're going to do what we need to do. Okay, we're just going to let it do what it do. It's similar to my hair shape. The only difference is that, well, it's bigger. Yeah, so I can cut my own hair, but when it comes to like cutting weave, I'm just not good at it. But I feel like with natural hair, it's a little different for me. So I was able to cut it just a little bit. It's not perfect, but alas, I'm getting better. That's all that matters. And to be honest, like at this point, I feel like I am an edge control connoisseur. Like, let me know if I need to do a favorite edge control, because my edge controls be on a point. Okay? On point. I got the juice when it comes to edge controls, like Bishop. Get at you, girl. Come on, let me know. Do I need to do a video? Because I would. To secure the wig down, I'm just taking some of these huge, long bobby pins and placing them around the edge of the wig that I created. I can't believe I just said that. I created a wig, y'all. And might I add, I love it. Amazed, okay? I just wish that my hair color, or the color of the hair, I should say, matched my hair color a little bit. The hair color is 1B. I feel like I am definitely a 2. But yeah, other than that, I love it. I love it. Now that you know how to make a wig, stay tuned on how to style it.